Hey, just want to show you how budget cameras are now quite sophisticated these days. This one is like 35 pounds, $35. And this one has a 1080p lens. It's quite crisp, quite clear. And you see you have also a rear camera and you're like, what, 35 pounds for this? And their secret is that this is 640 by 480p. This is the footage from the rear camera. It looks like 90s television in terms of resolution and aspect ratio. This is the front camera, and this is a very challenging scene because it's harsh sunlight and dark shadows. If you're using a Mac, I recommend using VLC because you cannot view this format in QuickTime. This is how the files are stored. The A folder is the front and B is the rear camera. This is the photo taken from the front camera at 1080p, and this is the rear camera, which maxes at 480p. And you can quickly set modes to change. So you swap the rear and the front, so you could see a clear picture here. And side by side, it's a little compressed. Is just the front. And then the very last is when you get the rear. It's useful for parking, and to do that is you have to attach this to the reverse light. This is at the positive bit. So you need to check if your car cigarette lighter, which is what powers this, is running the same circuit as the reverse light. Because if it is, then it'll work. If it doesn't, then this won't work. Let's see, let me show you the menu. What it has is exposure, motion detection, G sensor, HDR. Last one is license plate, and then you change that over, and then it's the usual setting: park mode, date, time, screensaver, language, frequency, beep sounds, flash. I don't quite know what flash is for. Maybe it meant this rear light when you reverse, and that's it. So M is just changing modes. It's like camera, playback, and it comes with a 32 gig card, and that's it. Yeah, it's quite lightweight. This is all metal, by the way. This is a good build quality, I would say, and it could hang on to the front mirror quite tightly. So yeah, okay, hope you enjoyed this little preview. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box, and I'll try to answer it for you. See ya.